hear the sound of music, but not melody, but war. The ruach of God. There's a sound of a great move of God about to move in this generation. It is the sound of war.
"2024 was deemed the year of the dragon's war with the woman, and indeed it was. We thank God for the victories established across the nations. We cannot wait to hear what the Lord has in store for 2025. Dear saints, you are kindly invited to our Holy Ghost crossover night with the bondservant of Christ, John. Date: Tuesday the 31st of December, 2024 at 9 p.m. Central African Time. Venue: 284 Voortrekker Road, Maitland, Cape Town, South Africa. See you there. See you in the realms.